Welcome to our Word of the Day segment, where we explore fascinating words to enrich your vocabulary and communication skills. Today, we're diving into a word that describes something truly remarkable and inspiring, often associated with beauty and delicacy. Our word for today is ethereal. It's an adjective meaning extremely delicate and light in a way that seems too perfect for this world. Think of something so delicate and beautiful it feels almost otherworldly, like a whisper of mist or a soft, glowing light that transcends ordinary reality. Let's practice its pronunciation, ethereal. Listen closely and try saying it with me to master its sound. Now, let's see ethereal in action with some example sentences to understand its usage in different contexts and situations. First, the ballerina's movements were so ethereal. She seemed to float across the stage with effortless grace. Next, consider the morning fog created an ethereal landscape, transforming familiar trees into ghostly, dreamlike silhouettes. And finally, her voice had an ethereal quality, captivating everyone with its delicate beauty and otherworldly resonance. To further grasp ethereal, let's explore its synonyms and antonyms, expanding our understanding of its nuances and related concepts. Synonyms for ethereal include delicate, exquisite, fragile, graceful, and celestial, all conveying a sense of lightness and profound beauty. Conversely, antonyms like earthly, substantial, tangible, and corporeal describe things that are solid, real, and very much of this world. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. Which of these words is a synonym for ethereal? Is it A, heavy, B, delicate, or C, rough? Take a moment to think about it and choose the best fit. The correct answer is B, delicate. Delicate perfectly captures the light and refined essence of ethereal, highlighting its fragile beauty. Imagine a real-life scenario. You're walking through a garden and you spot a rare, translucent butterfly with wings like stained glass. Its wings are so fine and almost transparent. You might describe its appearance as truly ethereal, a fleeting vision of beauty. This word helps us articulate the profound beauty and delicate nature of such a sight, elevating our descriptions. So, there you have it, ethereal. A word to describe beauty that feels almost too perfect for our world, inspiring awe and wonder. We encourage you to use ethereal in your conversations and writing this week. Share your favorite ethereal moments in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more word explorations, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our Word of the Day.